The White Elephant by Ruskin Bond for DAV Publication Classics Literature Book. Explanation by Pranesh Misra. This is the story about a herd. Herd Hindi term is झुंड. A herd of elephants who could talk like human beings. The main character was a finest animal, a white elephant. He had to manage food, fruits, etc. for his mother always. His mother was blind, but food used to be stolen by other elephants of the herd when he was away. The white elephant was away. They decided, mother and son, to leave that jungle where they used to live and went to a glen, another place. Once the white elephant was counseled by his mother not to fall prey or listen any man or believe any man in the world. A day it so happened that the white elephant hears a sound of a man's cry, a man in distress. His mother warned him not to go and help because men are treacherous, dhokebaj. But the white elephant didn't hear. He goes on to save the man. तो फ्रेंड्स, वाइट एलिफेंट जो दयालु है चला फॉरेस्टर को बचाने, जो आगे चल के उसी को धोखा देता है. When he reached near the cry, here reached will be there. It was a man who had lost his way in the forest. The white elephant helped him and left him to the outskirts of बनारस. बनारस शहर के पास जंगल के किनारे जाके वो उसे छोड़ देता है. चलो देखते हैं आगे क्या हुआ. That man was a forester. He was greedy. He thought to offer, to gift this elephant to the king of Benares for a good reward. He returned, came back with his men. The forester had noted down all the landmarks. जैसे जैसे वह जंगल में आया था, सारे चिन्हों को उसने याद रखा था. He came with some trainers. कुछ लोगों को जो हाथी पकड़ने में महारत हासिल किए रहते हैं उनको लेके आता है. और फिर वाइट एलिफेंट को पकड़ लेता है. द पुअर ओल्ड मदर, white elephant is captured. Poor old mother was waiting his return. But where would her son come? There, the forester, he gifted the elephant to the king. The white elephant now realized the words of his mother and was not eating anything in the shell where he was captured and locked. When the king heard all this, listening this news of his sickness, he went to see him, means the white elephant. और राजा बड़ा दयालु है, यह वैसा मानव नहीं जैसा फोर्स्टर था. The king reached near the white elephant. Then he said, who said? White elephant said, "Great king, all I wish, all I want is to return to my mother. She is blind. She would be hungry." Then king was kind, a compassionate soul, and he says, "I give you freedom, don't worry. You may return to your mother." Now, white elephant was very happy. He went crushing back, पेड़ पौधों को तोड़ते हुए जैसे तैसे भागा वो मम्मी के पास अपने. Through the forest, his mother was still alive, thank God, and they were united again. His mother said, "Oh, my son, you should have listened me earlier." काश पहले मेरी बात सुने होते तो तुम्हें ये भुगतना न पड़ता, क्योंकि आदमी ट्रीचरस होते हैं, धोखेबाज होते हैं. Men are not good, my child. तो अब वाइट एलिफेंट ने दो तरह के लोगों को देखा था. एक तो फॉरेस्टर, विलेनिस, एंड वन हेरोइक, द किंग. King was a good, compassionate, kind man. The one man, Forester, was a cheater. The white elephant says, "Let's forget the treachery." बुरे चीज़ों को भूल जाना चाहिए, अच्छी बातों को याद रखना चाहिए. Forget the treachery and think only of king's compassion, kindness. And thus, mother and son were reunited. They were happy and they lived happily ever after. Thank you. Bye.